Hey there, welcome to Beginner Dance Tutorials. I'm Carrie Mitchell, and today we're going to learn a line dance to a bar song by Shaboozey. This is such a fun beginner level line dance. It is not my choreography. It was choreographed by Ben Murphy. I'm just going to break down the steps for you here, nice and slow and step by step. Remember, if you're up and you're moving, then you're doing it right. Last thing before we get started, this video is the tutorial only, so you're not going to find any music in this video, none whatsoever. But when you're ready to practice with music, or if you want to see what it looks like with music, there is a separate video where I will dance the entire line dance, and it is linked down in the description below or up here in this card. So go check that out when you're ready to practice with music. All right, let's get up and let's get our line dance on. Here we go. All right, we're gonna have 4 8 counts or 32 counts total, 4 walls. There is one 4-count break or a tag after the 10th wall, and I'll tell you about that a little later. For now, let's learn the steps. So our first 8 count, we're gonna start making a little box or a square on the floor. And to do that, you're gonna step to the right and then step together with your left. And then you're gonna step forward with your right and touch your left. So our right foot is leading both times. Right step, right touch. Then we're gonna do that to the left. So now you're gonna step to the left, step together with your right, step back with your left, touch your right. So our square is gonna go to the right, to the front, to the left, to the back. And our footwork, our right foot's leading the first 2, right step, right touch. Then our left foot's gonna lead the second 2, left step, left touch. Ooh, so think right, right, left, left, making our square on the floor. You got it. Let's go nice and slow. 5, 6, step to the right, then step left, step to the front and touch, then left, right, left, touch. 5, 6, step to the right. You got it. Right, left, front, touch, left, right, back, touch. 5, 6, step to the right. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 counts total. Ooh, one more time. 5, 6, step to the right. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When in doubt, you can even just step touch, just move around. If you're up and moving, seriously, you're doing it right. It's just a fun dance, y'all. That's our first 8 count. Our second 8 count, we're gonna do step touch side to side this time. So we're going step right, touch left, step left, touch right. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you like to clap, you're gonna clap on the 2 and the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when that foot touches, that's when we're clapping. 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, we're gonna do a grapevine to the right. So it's 3 steps, right, left, right, touch your left. So it's just step, 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 touch. But the second step is gonna cross behind. So we're gonna go out, cross behind, out, touch. 5, 6, it's called a grapevine. Right, left, right, touch. So we start the 8 count with step, touch, adding the clap if you want. Then we're gonna grapevine, right, left, right, touch. Ooh, try that second 8 count. 5, 6, step, touch to the right. Now the left, grapevine, right, left, right, touch. Woo! 2 8 counts in. So back to the top. We're gonna make our square, our box on the floor. Step, 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 touch. 5, 6, step to your right. Now step front and touch. Step to your left, step back and touch. Step claps, grapevine to the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. Let's do that one more time. Why not? So we're gonna step, step, right, left. You got it. 5, 6, step to your right. Go 1, 2, front, 3, 4, left, 5, 6, back, 7, step, clap. 1, 2, 3, grapevine to the right. 6, 7, 8. Fantastic. Remember, it's recorded. You can pause this, review those steps as much as you need to. When you're ready to add our third 8 count, you ready? We're gonna do it. So we're gonna repeat what we just did, but we're gonna lead to the left this time. So we're gonna go step, touch to the left, step, touch to the right. Remember, the claps are optional, always. It's all optional. We're just step touching left and right and adding the clap on the touch if you want. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're gonna grapevine to the left. Just the footwork is left, right, left. And instead of touching on this one, I'm gonna do a scuff. So a scuff is taking your heel into the ground and just brushing it onto the ground. Scuff, scuff, like you're making a scuff mark. So our left foot grapevine, you're stepping out, cross behind, stepping out, and scuff. 5, 6, just try the grapevine. Left, right, left, scuff. 5, 6, step to your left, then cross back, step to your left and scuff. Very nice. The only difference is we're gonna use this to turn to our second wall. So it's the same footwork. You're going left, right, now start to turn, left, scuff. See, like I said, it's the exact same footwork. You're just using those second 2 steps, or the step and scuff, to turn yourself to this wall. Woo. So this third 8 count, we're gonna step clap or step touch left and right. 1, 2, 3, grapevine left. 5, 6, turn it and scuff. Woo, try that third 8 count. 5, 6, step clap to your left. 1, 2, 3, grapevine left, right, turn and scuff. Yeah, one more time. 5, 6, step touch to the left, to the right, grapevine, 5, 6, 7, 8. Woo, very nice. We're gonna go all the way back to the top and put those 3 8 counts together. So we're starting with that box or square on the floor. Stepping to the right, nice and slow for our brains, putting it together. 5, 6, step to your right, you got it. 1, 2, front, 3, 4, left, 5, 6, back, 7, step, touch to the right, to the left, grapevine, right, left, right, step, touch to the left, to the right, grapevine, and turn it. 5, 6, 7, scuff. Woo, let's do it a little faster. You got it. Step, 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 touch. I remember. 5, 6, 5, 6, step to your right. 1, 2, front, 3, now left. 5, 6, step, touch to the right, to the left, grapevine. 5, 6, 7, step, touch, grapevine left, and turn. 6, 7, 8. Fantastic job. You're doing an amazing job. If that last round was too fast, if that tempo was too fast, it's okay. Rewind it, go back to the time right before that where we did it a little slower. If you're ready to go on to our, just kidding, 4th 8 count and final, we're gonna learn it right here. So we just turned here. I'm gonna show you the step from this direction, but I promise we're facing that way. So you just finished with that scuff on 8. You're just gonna set your heel down and then step it together, and then left heel out and step it together. So we finished from here, and we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, go, heel together, heel together. From there, we're gonna jump our feet out. If you don't feel comfortable jumping, just step out to your right. You never have to jump, right? That's gonna be on 5, hold 6, and you're just gonna rock your hips right, left on 7, 8. Ooh, and that's it. So this is 7, 8. The last 4 counts. 5, hold 6, 7, 8. Or just step out with your right foot. 5, hold 6, 7, 8. Ooh. So back to the top of the 4th 8 count. We finish with a scuff. You're gonna go heel together, out, hip, hip. Woo, just try that. 5, 6, right heel goes. 1, 2, 3, jump apart. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, right heel goes first. 1, 2, 3, out. 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, and that's it. You did it. Just kidding, that's not it. Because we were actually facing this way. So you finished your grapevine, 6, 7, 8. So you're actually oriented to your second wall or this left wall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, right, left on 7, 8. And that's really it. Let's go back to the very top and put all 4 8 counts together before we talk about how to turn it and complete it and add that tag. So back to the top, really slow. We're gonna have that box step on the floor or that square on the floor, whatever we want to call it. So we're going to take 2 steps to your right. 5, 6, 2 steps to your right. Go 1, 2 step touch to the front, 2 steps left, step touch to the back. Step clap to the right, then the left, grapevine to the right. 5, 6, step touch left, step touch right, grapevine. 5, 6, we're going to scuff and turn, then we're going to go heel, step, heel, step or jump apart. 5, hold, 6, hips, 7, 8. Ooh, fantastic. Let's do that again. All 4 8 counts, maybe a little bit faster, starting with our step, step to the right. You got it. 5, 6, step to your right. Go 1, 2 front, 3, 4 left, 5, 6 back, 7 step clap or step touch. Grapevine to the right, right, left, step touch to your left, you got it. Grapevine and turn it. 5, 6, now we scuff, heel goes out, step or jump apart. 5, hold, 6, hips, 7, 8. Ooh, from here you're gonna start it over. So after you go 7, 8, you're gonna have to push off this left leg because we're gonna start stepping to your right again. 1, 2, 3, to the left, 5, 6, 7 step clap, 1, 2, then we're gonna grapevine to the right. It's the exact same thing, right? Step clap to the left, grapevine, 5, 6, now I'm on my 3rd wall, heel together, step or jump apart. 5, hold, 6, hips, 7, then you'll start it over. So the transition, what you have to be thinking of 2 seconds, 1 second ahead is after you go 5, 6, 7, 8, you're gonna step to your right. So just remembering how we're gonna transition and put those 2 together. Great job. All right, we're gonna go back to the top. We're gonna do 2 walls. So this way, practicing transitioning those walls together, okay? Here we go. So we're starting from the top, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go nice and slow this first round, then we'll speed it up. Here we go. 5, 6, step to your right, 2 counts, then step touch to the front. 2 counts left, step touch to the back. Step clap right and left. You're doing awesome. Grapevine to the right. 6, 7 step clap to the left, to the right. Now grapevine, and we're gonna turn to our 2nd wall. Scuff, heel, right, together. Step or jump, 5, hold, 6, hips, 7 step to the right. 1, 2, 3 step to the left. 5, 6 step touch. Now we step clap. Grapevine to the right, you're doing awesome. Step, clap left, now right, grapevine and turn it to your 3rd wall, scuff, heel, 1, 2, 3, step or jump apart, 5, hold, 6, hips, 7, then you'll start it over. Great job. You're doing an incredible job. That's all the choreography. So you just keep turning it, keep going until the end of the song. It is faster, and we are gonna do it faster here in a second, but let's talk about this tag or this 4 count break here in the song. So after your 10th wall, so you go all the way around, 4, 4, this is your 3rd time through. Once you're facing the back wall, there's a tag or a 1, 2, 3, 4 count break before it starts over. What you're gonna do, I'll show you from the front, is just step touch. So like we did the step clap, but you're just leaving the claps out and going step, touch, and then you're gonna start it over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you can hear it in the music. You can hear that 4 count break. You're just doing 1, 2, 3, then start it over. But you should be facing your back, the back wall from wherever you started. Yeah, that's our tag. So let's see, you did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You'll just step touch, right, together, left, together, then you'll start it over. And that is our tag. Great job. All right, let's go back to the top. We're gonna do those 2 walls just like we did before, but we're gonna go a little bit faster because it is faster. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, ready, 5, 6, step to your right, go 1, 2, 3 to the left, 5, 6 back, 7 step touch or step clap, grapevine to the right, 6, 7 step clap to the left, grapevine to the left. Now we're gonna scuff and we go heel steps, step or jump apart, hips, 7, then we step to the right. Step, touch, step to the left. Step, touch, step, clap. You got it. Grapevine. 6, 7, step, clap. 1, 2, 3, grapevine. Turn and scuff, heels, right. Together, left. Step or jump. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you'll keep going. Ah, great job. All right, we're gonna do it one last time here together without the music. We're gonna go even faster. We're gonna do those 2 walls again. You got it. Hang on for the ride. If you wanna go slow again, rewind it. Do that other tempo. But when you're ready, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, step to your right. Go 1, 2, 3, left. 5, 6, step, clap. 1, 2, grapevine. 6, 7, step, clap. Grapevine and turn. 6, 7, heels. 1, 2, step or jump. 5, hip. 7, step to your right. 2, now left. 5, 6, you got it. Step, claps. Grapevine. 6, step, clap left. 2, 3, 4, turn and scuff, then heel, heel, jump out. 6, 7, start it over. 2, 3, 4. You got it. Woo! You did an amazing job. That's our tutorial. Thank you so much for joining me today. Remember, if you're wondering where the music is, it's in a separate video. It's linked down in the description below. Go check that out when you're ready to practice. You can go back, rewind this, go over any of the steps you need to. It is faster with the music, but I promise if you can go slow and really work on it at that tempo, that slower tempo, you can eventually build it up and go faster. I believe in you, I know you can do it. If you enjoyed this and you wanna see more tutorials like this in the future, hit that subscribe button, dink, to be notified when new tutorials are released. Thank you again for joining me and dancing with me today. I hope you have the best rest of your day, and I look forward to hopefully dancing with you again in a future tutorial. Bye, y'all.